Welcome home. It's been so long since I've taken you around my house. I'm going to share with you some motivation and more than that, hacks. Tons of these are from the dollar store. These are things that save me time and money. On Do It on a Dime, if I show you something, I want you to be able to try it and it actually works in your house. So without further ado, let's jump into the hacks. First up, I'm taking you to my little front porch to share with you my favorite morning trick. This involves a hack from the dollar store, just $1.25. I bet you've never tried. If you have a standard blender, maybe you can't afford a Vitamix or one of those NutriBullets, but you've always wanted one, you can hack your way to success. The Dollar Tree mason jars, the standard ones and the ones with handles, likely already fit on your blender. And check out this hack. Get some frozen fruit on sale. Remember, when it's frozen like this, it's packed at the peak of freshness. You can put these in little sandwich packs right into your refrigerator with a ready-to-go smoothie kit. I find that's the perfect single serving size. Then when you're ready, take that little mason jar, you can pour inside, add a bit of juice and protein powder if you desire. You're gonna stick this right on your standard blender and you have a delicious smoothie in the morning. I love doing this on my front patio, which I actually decorated all from the dollar store. That's probably one of my favorite spots to sit. If you have not carved out a spot for you yet in your house that is just yours, even if you don't have a lot of space to work with, please do it. It makes such a difference. And come on inside. It's been so long since I've gotten to show you how all of the rooms in my house connect. All right, so this is my entryway. You walk right into my dining room. And of course, my display is all Dollar Tree flowers. I love the really neutral tones. And now we're headed into the living room. Welcome to my living room. I have got 4 sneaky hacks I really hope you can use. And the first one is actually over here on our curtains. In a video, I showed you how I put toilet paper rolls in between each eyelet of the curtain, and it helps keep it nice and open and really clean looking. This is one of my favorite tricks. The second thing I want to show you is some decor pieces, and all of these are from the Dollar Tree. So all of these candlesticks on the mantle are from the Dollar Tree. This is a brand new one, and it mimics the Pottery Barn one. Definitely check this out when you see it. And the Dollar Tree also sells these flameless candles. You can get them on Amazon. I'll be sure to link them for you as well. They look so beautiful when they're lit, and they come on a timer. I also want to share you this. I don't know if you know, but Dollar Tree sells watercolors and watercolor paper that are 10 out of 10. This rivals what you're going to see at any craft store. Carson actually made this the other day using the Dollar Tree watercolors. I thought it was so beautiful and made incredible art. I love when kids play with watercolors. It looks really high-end in your house. Oh my gosh, Copper. He really wants to be a part of this video and he would like to say hi. Sometimes it's the simple things that work. I store all of my board games on their side. Most people stack them up, but they fall over, they don't stay organized. This way always works, and when it's time to declutter, we can. Our family loves board games. My favorite card game is Euchre, and I also really like Cards Against Humanity. Leave a comment down below with your favorite. And I want to show you this. Dollar Tree actually sells board games now, and this one I would recommend. It's the giant checkers set. This is awesome for summer parties and playing outside. A definite 10 out of 10. I've got more where that kid stuff came from, so don't go anywhere. Right off of our living room, we have the powder room, which we haven't cleaned in like a week, but that's okay. I'm bringing you inside. As a mom of boys, if your kids leave towels on the floor, I love having towels with these little loops on them because I feel like if you have a towel bar, no one's using that. This is the only way we've gotten things to stay up in the bathroom. It's my favorite part. I also use a black light in this bathroom so I can see when it gets dirty and clean it really easily. And for my walls, this is my Dollar Tree secret. I use Fabuloso, but it's mixed with baking soda. So there's baking soda already inside of this. And this is what professional cleaners typically use on walls. Baking soda works really great to get all of those odors off and to gently cleanse and scrub your wall. Let me show you how clean I can get it. And this is your gentle reminder that social media is not real. I repeat, social media is not real. No clean house that you see is actually clean in real life. Mine is actually probably 80% pretty gross most of the time. But what I do try to do is when I have something in hand is clean with it. So I already had the sponge and I decided to rinse out the sink that had been a little bit dirty. I just want to remind you to give yourself some grace, especially when watching these hack videos. It feels like you have to do all of the things that people are showing, or it's like, man, why didn't I think of that? Why isn't my house that cool? Just trust me. Sometimes it's the little things that make all the difference. You don't have to do them all to enjoy it.
Also, if you have upstairs laundry and all the people downstairs, go to the Dollar General and grab one of these baskets. They're really high quality, but they also look really nice. I put this right next to the stairs so we can take mini loads of laundry up, especially if you've got kids. Welcome to my laundry room. One hack I want to show you is actually this. It's from the Dollar Tree. This is a broom handle. The Dollar Tree mop holders, I cut it in half, spray painted it black, and this is a great way to hang dry your clothes. Lots of you were asking, isn't it gonna fall down if I do that? This holds lots of garments. We haven't had a problem, and it helps us save space. I love this area, just don't look at the floor. This is all clean, so just...
And my beautiful friend, you stay tuned because I have my secret to making doing sheets and laundry a lot easier. So don't go anywhere. I promise that trick will change your life.
I like to keep my laundry in baskets and then leave it for a week before I do anything about it. Sometimes that's good for your mental health. Okay, so into the kitchen. Our downstairs is kind of a big open floor plan, but I've got some hacks for you. These really, really work. They're kind of game changers. Come here. They have seen the Stanley water bottles that are everywhere, and they are so expensive. Who wants to spend $34 for a water bottle? I can get you a knockoff version for under 15 bucks. And this is my booster during the day. So I just fill it up like this with ice. I really like how there's stainless steel on the inside. Then I take some sparkling water of your choice. I really like the Waterloo one. This one is lemon lime. Then I add one of these immunity shots to it. This is a ginger cayenne one. I just give it a little shake. They sell these at Aldi. They sell these at your grocery store. I've seen them at Whole Foods. Oh, it is so good. This is my favorite.
And stay tuned for my car tricks. I think they're my favorite of the video. But first I want to show you the Dollar Tree now carries a fruit fly eliminator. You've got to check this out.
If you don't buy anything from the Dollar Tree this year, go and get this.
I'm gonna add some apple cider vinegar to the bottom. You really don't need a lot, my friends. And then what you wanna do is add a little bit of dish soap. This is actually apple scent. But what this is gonna do is it's gonna make it so when the flies come in here, they're gonna slip on the dish soap and then sink to the bottom. This is gonna help trap them. You keep this on the base just like that, and it works. Like, it really, really works. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments down below if you're a pro at trapping fruit flies. I actually made a video about this like years ago. Do you remember that, Charlie? Our fruit fly video, like an entire video about how to trap fruit flies. We get them every single year, especially in the South, so that's how I feel like I'm actually really good at that. And when it comes to the kitchen, I'm all about maximizing space using dollar store products. I especially love the food storage products. And one thing that they've brought back are these little snack holders. They are awesome and one of my favorite hacks. But then there's this container. Now, what I really like about it is it has two separate sections and a spot for dressing. These are really great for snacks. However, have you considered putting these into your car? Go to the Dollar Tree, get some first aid supplies, those things that you're always reaching for in your car. This is the #1 product of the video because I've reached for it no less than 6 times since making it. Extra toothbrush, feminine products, items for your eyeglasses, some antibacterial wipes, nail clippers, some extra deodorant. All of this is available at the Dollar Tree, and we're gonna make a little pack for your car. Let me know in the comments down below if you have something like this. I really like how easily this stores in your glove box, and it's the perfect size. It's also really easy to access. You've got a spot for your health and beauty care, as well as your medicine. And ultimately, this, as well as my water bottle, are the game changers. And the reason that I like the Stanley brand and their knockoff counterpart is because it fits into your cup holder. It makes everything so easy to use. Great if you've got kids. And stick around because I want to share with you our playroom.
Welcome to our bonus room. In North Carolina, we don't really have basements. We have bonus rooms.
I want to share our climbing wall with you because I did it really affordably. I will link this exact product. I actually got it off of Amazon and it has changed the way we play upstairs. It's so simple to put together and really fun for the kids.
We also have a dome in the center of the room. This is kind of all like Montessori inspired type creative play. My kids have been playing with this since they were 1 year old and we haven't gotten
rid of it. This little wobble board looks like a whole bunch of nothing, but it is everything to my kids. They're really inexpensive. You can use them kind of like this for like little workouts. This thing can become a bridge so the kids can play with it. You can lay on this to stretch your back. And I'm gonna link it for you guys, but this is something that when they don't know what to do, I can literally give them this and they can find 1,000 things to do with it. Also, if you have budding gymnasts, we really love this flip bar. It comes with a mat as well. So this entire space allows for a lot of physical play. It's especially great in really peak allergy season at nighttime or in the winter.
Ultimately, these are hacks because I used to spend so much time, you guys, managing clutter, managing kids' toys. Every toy we own fits into these 8 baskets in the bonus room, and most of them are creative play toys. These are the things my kids are actually reaching for. When we eliminated 90% of the toy clutter, it made all of the difference. So there was actually time for us to take care of our family and myself too, like having an oasis in your bedroom. And I want to share with you my hack for keeping my sheets nice and bright white, because I actually get asked this a lot. All I do is I wash them with vinegar and baking soda. For a sheet set and my comforter, I take a 1/4 cup of baking soda and I sprinkle it around the inside of the drum. And then I fill up the fabric softener well with vinegar and I run a normal cycle. The baking soda agitates and the vinegar deodorizes.
I do not fold any of my sheets. I shove them into the pillowcase, the entire bedding set. Just like that. Makes making the bed really easy.
Remember I told you how I keep my bedding and sheet sets super easy? You've got to make doing laundry with your sheets simple, right? And I wanted to make sure to give you a little self-care hack that I've been really enjoying. I was talking about this with some girlfriends, and that's making sure I'm getting enough sunlight in the day. I did a bunch of research and I found this happy light. When I'm getting ready in the morning and putting on my makeup, I turn this on and it gives me those natural UV rays, so that way I feel a bit more energized, especially if you struggle with seasonal affective disorder. This could be an option for you. I will link it below. I hope you found some joy here and some simple hacks for you because you deserve nothing less.
My friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon. How much would you recommend that to other kids on a scale of 1 to 10?
9.5.
What would give it the other half point?
If the bar at the top was longer,
Oh yeah, so
then I could go back.